The second chick hops outside, 3 days after its sibling. And 20 minutes later, the third fledges too. But this isn't the last to save these young kestrels. All the kestrel's chicks have fledged now, and they're still hanging around the nest. So I'm going to see if I can see what they're up to. So the young kestrels are spending quite a bit of time in this branch. So I'm going to pop a bit of food down the back of it and get a camera on here and hopefully get some footage. It's Athena that's first to visit, and she's soon joined by the noisy youngsters.